Hello there, friends. Hi there. Welcome back to my channel. Let's do this, friends. How are you there? We're going to erect this structural. The rigger now is giving me a slowly signal. Slowly hoist up signal. Finger pointing at the top with a caution on the other hand. The load is now going up. Now I am also swinging. Almost totally standing now. The structure. The rigger is giving me very cautious signal. It's asking me to swing to the right slowly. Now I'm swinging to the right. Stop. Hoist up slowly. It was a very nice signal. It is very nice signal. You see the load, guys? See the load, guys. It moves very slowly. Now the load is totally lifted. It's a very nice lift. Very good signal by my rigger. Total load is 5.5 tons. I'm swinging now near to the erection point. We're going to swing this to the top. So on the top of this concrete column, we are going to erect that structure. See there, guys, it's already the load there. That is the structure there, guys. Preparing for erection. Ready, almost there. Thank you very much.